The most talked about upgrade? The cameras. According to McRumors and analyst Jeff Pugh, 8x optical zoom telephoto lens, up from 5x in iPhone 16 Pro, or a 48 MP telephoto camera, a massive leap from the previous 12 MP sensor. 24 MP selfie camera, for sharper front-facing shots, performance also gets a boost. A19 Pro chip for faster processing, 6-core GPU in Pro and Pro Max, versus 5-core in iPhone 17 Air. Vapor chamber cooling system to prevent overheating, biggest battery ever in an iPhone, especially in the Pro Max design-wise. Leaked mock-ups show color. Options including black, silver, dark blue, orange, and a special edition inspired by iOS 26's liquid glass theme. Apple Watch Series 11, Ultra 3, and SE. Smarter, brighter, longer lasting. Apple's wearables are also getting a refresh. Series 11's 11 chip for improved speed and efficiency, energy-efficient display with better brightness and resolution, possible blood pressure tracking, still in testing phase. Ultra 3 larger display, 422x5114 pixels. Satellite connectivity for emergency messaging in remote areas, 3-4 days battery life in low-power mode thanks to the S11 chip. SE model first update since 2022, likely to feature S9 chip and refined exterior design. All new watches will support watchOS 26's AI-powered workout buddy, but will require an Apple Intelligence-enabled iPhone for full functionality. AirPods Pro 3, smarter sound, smarter features. It's been a while since Apple refreshed its premium earbuds, but AirPods Pro 3 are expected to debut at this event. Heart rate monitoring built into the earbuds H3 chip for better sound, battery life, and call quality. Possible infrared camera support, likely in AirPods Pro 4. Rumored touchscreen display on the charging case for remote control functionality. References to AirPods Pro 3 have already been spotted in the iOS 26 beta code, fueling speculation of an imminent launch. iOS 26. A clearer, smarter Apple experience. Apple's new software update is more than just a version bump. iOS 26 introduces Liquid Glass Mode, a minimalist, colorless UI alternative to light-dark mode dynamic lock screen that adapts to your photos call screening, live translation, and a dedicated games app lyrics translation in the music app Simplified. Designs for camera, photos, FaceTime, and a more vibrant messages app currently in its 5th public beta. iOS 26 is expected to roll out shortly after the event. What to expect on September 9? Apple is expected to unveil iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max, and Air Apple Watch Series 11, Ultra 3, and C AirPods Pro 3 iOS 26 final release. Stay tuned as we continue, updating this coverage with confirmed specs, pricing, and availability. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or an Apple loyalist, this event is shaping up to be one of the most feature-packed in years.